Introduction to Arrays and Linked Lists.
Arrays and linked lists are two of the most fundamental data structures in programming. Both store collections of data, but each handles storage and access differently. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of arrays and linked lists helps you write more efficient code and choose the right structure for your needs.
How arrays work.
Arrays store elements in a fixed-size, contiguous block of memory. This design allows you to access any element instantly using its index. However, arrays require knowing their size ahead of time. Adding or removing elements, especially in the middle, involves shifting other elements, which can be slow for large arrays.
How linked lists work.
Linked lists consist of nodes, where each node contains data and a reference to the next node. Unlike arrays, linked lists do not require a fixed size and can grow or shrink dynamically. They make it easy to insert or delete elements, especially in the middle, but accessing elements by position requires traversing the list from the beginning.
Key differences between arrays and linked lists.
The previous user has noticed that fast, direct access to elements and are memory efficient. In contrast, linked lists allow flexible growth and easy insertion or removal, but use more memory per element. These differences impact which is better for a given use case.
Choosing the right data structure.
Use arrays when you need quick access to elements by index and your data size is fixed or changes infrequently. Choose linked lists when your program requires frequent insertions and deletions, especially in the middle of the sequence, and random access speed is less important. The right choice depends on your program's needs.